In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Facebook to Zoho CRM. To get started, you first need to access the Zoho CRM settings area, where social channels are managed. When you are logged into Zoho CRM, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon. That gear icon is the Setup menu. Click Setup using the gear icon in the top right area. This will open the settings options for your Zoho CRM account. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct place, because the next steps depend on being in the main Setup menu. Once Setup is open, the goal is to find the section that controls channels, especially social integrations. In the Setup area, look for the option that says Channels. Click Channels. This is where Zoho CRM organizes different connection types, such as web, email, and social tools. After clicking Channels, you will see a list or navigation options. From there, select Social on the left menu. This left-side social menu is specifically designed for connecting social platforms and managing how leads and activity flow into your CRM. Now that you are in the social section, you can connect individual platforms one at a time. Find the Facebook tab in this area. Click the Facebook tab so that the Facebook connection screen loads. If the page displays the current status of your Facebook integration, it may be showing that nothing is connected yet, or it may show existing connections if you have done this before. Either way, you are now positioned at the correct place to begin linking your Facebook account to Zoho CRM. Next, you will start the actual connection process by choosing the option to add a new account. On the Facebook tab page, click Add Account. This tells Zoho CRM that you want to establish a fresh Facebook connection rather than editing something that is already in place. When you click Add Account, the system will typically prompt you to complete the steps needed to authenticate the connection. This step matters because it is the point where Zoho CRM begins establishing permission to access the Facebook features required for the integration. As you proceed after clicking Add Account, pay attention to any on-screen prompts that guide you through authorizing the connection. The prompts can vary slightly depending on your Zoho CRM configuration and your browser settings, but the key idea is the same. You are authorizing Zoho CRM to connect with Facebook through the proper account. If you are asked to select which Facebook account you want to use, make sure you choose the one you intend to connect to your CRM. If there are confirmation messages, review them carefully so you understand what permissions are being granted. After the authorization portion completes, Zoho CRM should update the Facebook connection status. At this point, you can look back at the Facebook integration area to confirm that the account is listed as connected. If the interface provides additional options or setup details, those appear after the account is added. Your main objective for this video is to reach the point where the Facebook account has been added through Add Account and the connection is established. That covers the required sequence to connect Facebook to Zoho CRM. Open Setup from the gear icon, go to Channels, choose Social in the left menu, select the Facebook tab, and then click Add Account. Once you have completed these clicks and the connection finishes loading, you are ready for the next phase of configuration if your account requires it. And that is all there is to it.